Tiny bird with rapid wing beats and iridescent colors, often seen at flowers. Hummingbird. A small bird with a red or orange breast and a delightful song. Robin. Small bird often found in urban and rural areas, known for its brownish plumage and cheery chirping. Sparrow. A vibrant blue bird with white underparts and a crest on its head. Blue jay. Small songbird, often yellow in color, and known for its melodious singing. Canary. Colorful, intelligent bird species, known for their ability to mimic human speech. Parrot. A bird of prey, known for its incredible speed and sharp talons, often used in falconry. Falcon.